तब्दीली के चैलेंज का सामना है। पिछले 5-7 साल हमने इससे निपटने के लिए कुछ नहीं किया। जस्टिस मंसूर अली शाह का तकरीब से खिताब, कहा बस हम ट्रक की बत्ती के पीछे लगे हुए हैं, हमारे पास मौसमाती तब्दीली का कोई फंड नहीं है। इसके लिए हालिया बजट में भी कुछ मुख्तस नहीं किया गया, जो अफसोसनाक है।
We done in the last 5-7 years? Has anything changed as far as climate justice is concerned? No, I would imagine, because all we did was we gave directions. Please do fix this, come up with a new plan to do this, but never figured out whether at all the government had political will for that aside. Did they ever have the money to do this? The directions are there, they've been quoted all over the world, but nothing happens on the ground. ट्रक की बत्ती के पीछे हम लगे हुए हैं. There is nothing that's coming our way. What has been the response of the government? I think they did put up a good show at Baku, but there is nothing much that comes out. And I look at their official statement, and they say we've just finalized the National Climate Finance Strategy. Very good. Where is it? What is it? I haven't seen it. And recently at the Supreme Court, we took up this case. Earlier took up this case under the constitutional bench, to which I'm not yet a party. So now the new constitutional bench will look at it, but we're talking about there is no authority. The law came out in 2017. We're sitting in 2024. There is no climate change fund under the Climate Change Act 2017, and nothing was allocated in the recent budget either, which is sad.
खबरों में सिलसिले को